Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our programming series. Today we are going to see about SkillRack Daily Challenge, that is SQL. Select milk sweets. Select ID, name, price. This line specifies the columns that you want to retrieve from the table. ID, name, and price are the columns selected. From sweet specifies the table from which you want to retrieve the data. In this case, the table is named sweet, where main ingredients like %milk% or main ingredients like %milk% adds a condition to filter the rows. It selects rows where the main ingredients column contains either milk or milk. The % is a wildcard that allows for any characters before or after milk or milk. Order by price orders the result set based on the price column. I hope you found this explanation helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more programming content. Thanks for watching.